In this video, I will teach you how to convert your WooCommerce website to an Android app. This so your customers can shop directly from their mobile phones. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the website appmysite.com. This platform allows you to easily turn your WordPress WooCommerce site into an Android app. If you don't have an account yet, like this one, all you have to do is to click on Get Started and sign up for free. But if you already do have an account, all you have to do is to click on sign in. Once you're logged in, all you have to do is to click create app or click on get started right here. Then all you have to do is skip your app a name, your website URL, the app type right here, and the category. So let's name this Sunrise Hotel. And the category of WooCommerce app right here. Then you just have to scroll down and enter the website link. So you can paste the link that you have right here. This ensures that your store products, checkout, and cart are all integrated into this specific app. You click on create app right here and wait for it to load. Now you can pretty much customize this. You can choose your preset colors, select a color scheme that captures your brand identity and elevates the overall styling of your app. Here, here, or here. So once you have chosen, all you have to do is to hit on continue. Now the next thing you have to do is to connect your WordPress WooCommerce site. To do this, all you have to do is to download and install the App My Site plugin from your WordPress dashboard. So to do that, you just have to go to your dashboard on WordPress and scroll down on the left hand menu until you see plugins right here. Then click on add plugin. Then search for App My Site. Now all you have to do is to click on that. App My Site will automatically sync your WooCommerce product categories and checkout system into the app. So that's all there is today. Hope we help.